What is going on, fam? I'm excited for today's 5-minute morning workout routine. This workout is perfect if you're short on time. You only have 5 minutes to spare. It's going to target your full body. So let's get right into it. Boom. Let's go. So the first exercise, you're going to be doing it standing. It's going to be a bicycle crunch while you're standing. You stand in the same spot and do a crunch and try get your opposite elbow to touch your opposite knee, just like I'm doing in this video. Yep, that's it. You're doing a great job. That's it. Let's go. You're almost there. Boom. Nice. Great job. Fantastic. Our next exercise is going to be our mountain climbers. So this is going to be for 30 seconds. Wow, look at that ship. It's incredible. Fam, let's keep going. You're doing a great job. Let's go. I love to see it. Let's go. Good job. And then we're going to get back up again and do the same exercise. So this is going to be a routine. We're going to repeat a few exercises. Boom. You're going to do it for 30 seconds again. Another 30 seconds. Yep. That's it. Good job. Let's go. Boop. Beautiful. Nice work, fam. You're doing a great job. Next, we're going to be doing squats, and you're going to be swinging your hands between your legs and raising your hands all the way up. So if you have a weight, a dumbbell, you can also use that. So this is more of a motion of swinging. Nice, fam. Good job. Now back into the mountain climber position. You're going to do your mountain climbers again. Let's go. Nice. Yep. That's it. Good job. Let's go. Let's pump those legs. Yep. Nice. Keep going. A few more seconds and we're halfway. Then next up, we're going to do some wood choppers. This exercise is going to be for 1 minute and the timer is going to reset every 30 seconds. Boom. Let's go. So you're going to go side to side, twisting your torso. Try to keep your head in the same position, looking forward, and just twist your torso. And look at the movement of my feet. You're turning at your hips. Keep your feet pivoted in the same place. Fam, let's keep going. You're doing a great job. Let's go. I love to see it. Let's go. Back to the squat. Back to the swing. This exercise is going to be for 1 minute and the timer is going to reset every 30 seconds. Boom. Let's go. Nice. Good job. You're doing a fantastic job. Boom. Doing a great job. Let's go. This is where it counts now. Let's go. Let's keep going. Fam, you're doing a great job. Let's keep going. You're doing great. Easy. Let's go. Oh, we're going again. Now we're going to go back to our wood choppers. Good job. Nice. Doing a great job. Love to see it. Now make sure that you watch the next video for your daily stretches.